Hi, my name is Jack Bates and I'm a midfielder.
Hi, I'm Freddie Legg and I'm a winger. My family actually told me first because they didn't actually know. I didn't know I was in it until they told me, because they got an email because of the parent of under 18. So as soon as they were more happy than me, to be fair, but as soon as they told me, I was more happy after.
I felt very proud. It's a good stepping stone to where I want to get to.
Well, the first trial was actually the college, coming into the college, because they got us into Sussex. As soon as we got into Sussex, we had to go up to London for a south-west versus south-east game. And then we got through both that. And then the north-east-south game was at miles away. We had to stay in a hotel. It must have been a 4-hour drive there. It was a rainy, foggy day, cold pitch. And it's a tough game, to be fair. I scored in that game as well. It was a tough game, but we both got through it in the end.
Yeah, some of them will be shown on BBC, which I'm a bit nervous about, but I think by the time I actually get to the game, I think I would have forgotten about it and just played the game. So my tutors put me through to the Sussex squad, which eventually led to the schools team. So yeah, if you want to play football, I think it's a very good way to get into that, and you'll have a lot of time to play football, and it runs alongside the football programme, so you'll get the most out of both sides of it.
And it'd be a great way to, because you can include both. You get a learning side and you get a sports side as well. You get both sides of it.